I presented the CodeBreaK 200 randomized phase 3 clinical trial, randomized phase 3 clinical trial. Patients with metastatic lung cancer, newly diagnosed with KRAS G12C mutations, were treated. About 13% of all lung cancer patients will have a KRAS G12C mutation. Patients in the trial were randomized to receive oral Sotorasib versus IV docetaxel. Randomization was 1-to-1. And the primary endpoint of the trial was PFS by independent review. CodeBreaK 200 was a positive trial. The trial met its primary endpoint, which was PFS. Patients treated with Sotorasib had prolonged disease-free survival as compared to docetaxel. 34% risk reduction in disease progression. All of the subgroups showed benefit from Sotorasib versus docetaxel, and response rate, disease control rate, time to response, as well as duration of response, all favored Sotorasib. Sotorasib is a well-tolerated oral drug, so patients felt better, and we have patient-reported outcomes to prove that. Significant improvement in quality of life measures, as well as disease-related symptoms. So this is the first KRAS G12C inhibitor to be tested in a randomized effort. And I believe that Sotorasib will now enter the second line as a standard of care for patients with KRAS G12C mutations and after platinum and immunotherapy. Sotorasib is already FDA approved in the United States, but it was a conditional approval. And so we know that the data is front end of the FDA right now and also the EMA to decide on a full approval. But more importantly, what else could we add to Sotorasib to make it work better? There are many combination trials that are ongoing using other targeted inhibitors, EGFRs like cetuximab, panitumumab, MAP kinase inhibitors, as well as Sotorasib in combination with PD-1. So we'll see what the results of those trials are and if we're able to move this drug in combination with another into the frontline space. There is a randomized effort with Sotorasib, carbo, pemetrexed, and pembrolizumab versus carbo, pemetrexed, pembrolizumab that is launched as well.